In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use conditional field sidemines. If. The if-then-else rule in Microsoft Word Mail Merge allows you to automatically display different text depending on information in your recipient list. This is useful when one mail merge document needs to contain different messages for different recipients based on a specific value in your data. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document that is already set up for mail merge. Make sure your recipient list is connected and that the field you want to use for the condition is available in your data source. Place your cursor in the document where you want the conditional text to appear. Then go to the Mailings tab at the top of Word. Select Rules, and from the available options, choose If, Then, Else. The If, Then, Else dialog box will now appear. This is where you create the condition that Word will use when processing each recipient. Start by selecting the Merge field that you want Word to check. This could be a field such as Department, Membership Type, Status, or another column from your recipient list. Next, choose the comparison you want to use. For example, you can select Equal to when you want Word to check whether the selected field contains a particular value. In the Comparison field, enter the value that Word should look for. For example, if you're using a department field, you could enter a specific department name. Now, enter the text you want Word to display when the condition is true in the Insert This Text box. This is the message that will appear when the recipient's information matches the value you specified. Then, use the Otherwise This Text box to enter the alternative message. This text will appear when the recipient's information does not match the condition. After entering the required information, select OK. Word will insert the conditional rule into your document at the location of your cursor. To check whether the rule is working correctly, go back to the Mailings tab and select Preview Results. Word will process the condition using the information from each recipient record. Use the navigation controls to move through the recipient list and check the results. When the condition is true, Word will display the text from the Insert This Text box. When the condition is false, it will display the text from the Otherwise This Text box. This allows you to create one mail merge document that automatically changes its message depending on the information associated with each recipient. It can save time and prevent you from having to create separate documents for different groups of recipients. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,